Magandang araw, Sante Partners. Naghahanap ka ba ng dagdag na mapagkakakitaan o nagbabalak magtayo ng sariling negosyo? Nasa new normal man tayo ngayon, hindi hadlang yan para makamit mo ang pangarap mong negosyo. Lalo na kung Sante ang kapartner mo. Sante is one of the fastest growing direct selling companies globally with thousands of business owners and growing every day. Founded in 2007 by leaders with decades of experience, Sante offers a rewarding business opportunity to individuals. Taong 2007 din nang madiskubre ng Sante Research Team ang powerful properties ng barley grass. And the Sante Barley brand was born. Ngayon, ganap ng top producer and distributor ang Sante ng barley products sa Pilipinas. And soon sa buong mundo, with its local branches nationwide and its availability in several global markets. Pagdating naman sa produkto, makakasiguro kang lahat ay dekalidad with its flagship pure barley grass grown in a certified organic farm in Canterbury, New Zealand. Sante offers a variety of products that suit your healthy lifestyle. Sante products have natural ingredients containing a broad spectrum of vitamins, minerals, chlorophyll, and carotenoids. Staying true to its mission to help people live better lives, Sante believes in empowering its business owners. Kaya naman, through its Sante Partnership Program, tutulungan ka ng Sante to jumpstart your own business. By partnering with Sante, makakasiguro kang stable ang iyong business partner at napapanahon ang iyong mga produkto because of their health benefits. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Be part of our growing family. Partner with Sante now.